lives in harmony with himself lives in harmony with the universe. When we create peace and harmony and balance in our minds, we will find it in our lives. We need to always aim at complete harmony of thought and word and deed, and need to aim at purifying our thoughts, and everything will be well. Harmony with land is like harmony with a friend. You cannot cherish his right hand. A rich man need not necessarily be happy. By the same token, a poor man need not necessarily be unhappy. Happiness is to be experienced from within. The mind reacts to external stimuli, and this could sometimes bring us happiness or sometimes unhappiness. But what we need is enduring happiness. For enduring happiness, the internal war that rages within our mind should first cease. We should come to terms with external ground realities. That's why in Buddhism we talk so much about the two truths, which is the basis for the cultivation of all the higher spiritual paths and grounds. As physical training keeps the body in good shape, if we want to make it simple, some things are within our control, some things are not. Within our control are our own opinions, aspirations, desires, and emotions. These areas are truly or rightly our concern because they are directly subject to our influence. Happiness comes from freedom, and freedom is won by disregarding things that lie beyond our control. All human beings seek the happy life, but many confuse the means. For example, wealth and status with that life itself. We should not get caught up in trivia or pettiness. Appreciate your life within a larger context if you want the long-lasting happiness. Perhaps the most surprising point about happiness is that its achievement is scientific. This is a very important point that we need to note. And scientific means in order to achieve the long-lasting happiness, it requires discipline and systematic perseverance and effort. Without a disciplined mind, you are not really in control of what you are doing, nor can you be independent of events if you wish to be. The real source of happiness is control of your consciousness. A calm mind, for instance, or one engaged in meaningful work equates to happiness.
Buddhism from Ganden Trungse Monastery in Mumbai. Thomas from the Greater Good Science Center, UC Berkeley. Marcel Von Miller from the National Center for PTSD. David Fresco from Kent State University. Catherine Shepard, also from Kent State University. Marie Van Boot from the University of Krogan in the Netherlands. Narayan Srinivasan from the University of Alva. Saket Singh Kaur from the New Science Center in Dubai. Paul Doherty from my institution in California. Dr. A.K. Mukhopadhyay from the National and Simi Rinpoche from Serape Monastery.
And happiness. We sometimes talk about 3H, health, harmony and happiness. Now we're talking about 2H, harmony and happiness. So these are, like science and spirituality, are two very powerful elements that affect our life daily. You cannot imagine thinking about